Bennington, since its inception, really has had creativity and entrepreneurship at its core.
Making is important, and if you really are engaging, you are publicly showing how little you know right off the bat.
We try to build an environment where failure is not failure.
So we ask students to develop an inquiry, something that propels them through course selections in order to gain the skills, gain the understanding, gain the knowledge that will help them answer the questions that they put before themselves.
We find ways to incorporate that creativity, to give students the opportunity to design a study, to design an experiment, to answer a question, and kind of get that experience working with really interesting problems from the start.
It really enables them not just to react and respond to what they find in the world, but to imagine what isn't there, or to make what they want to make that doesn't exist yet.
The thing that is extraordinary about Bennington is, in fact, its core principles of student-directed education, an experience in the world through field work every year for every student, the plan committee and advising role of faculty, is what most institutions who are doing innovative work right now are doing.
It's just what Bennington has been doing since the 1930s.
Students leave here really well equipped to do anything they could ever dream of doing.
Yes, they're prepared to do the first job that they have, but they're also, in this rapidly changing landscape of jobs, they're prepared to do a job that we don't even know exists yet, because they know how to learn what they need to know to do something.
I think it's almost impossible to live in the world today without having some sense of creativity. I don't think we can survive without that.
That still remains out in front, as does kind of pushing to remain an idea and an ideal of what education can be.